Hey, what's up guys, it's Jude back with another video. In this video, I have an amazing announcement to share with you guys. As looking from the title itself, you know what this video is all about. Yes, it is about Mandala Exchange. I have partnered with Mandala team to share exclusive content about Mandala Exchange. And special shout out to Joseph, aka the CEO of Mandala Exchange. He is a really genuine person, and also special thanks to Donnie for making this collaboration possible. This collaboration will be a series of video that will be a complete beginner's guide right from how to create an account and using other products and service offered by Mandala Exchange. As you know, 1 month ago I made this video about Mandala Exchange. This video was a complete review video. If you still haven't watched this video, I suggest go check that out, because this video will be clearing all your doubt regarding why you should use Mandala Exchange rather than any other exchange out there, and also talked about the potential fees and money that you can save and earn from this by being an early adopter of this exchange. So make sure to check this video out. In this video, lots of people commented about their queries on how to get started. So here it is. For all the new people out there who don't know about anything about Mandala Exchange, so let me give you a quick overview. Mandala is a new exchange powered by Binance Cloud that allow users to experience better trading depth, higher security and higher transaction speed. They have their own native token called as MDX, that is Mandala Exchange token, that is currently trading for around $0.086. It is down 11% in 24 hours. So it is the right time to start dollar cost averaging in this. And also it made an all-time high of $0.553, which is minus 80 to 85% from its all-time high. So there is lots of potential to grow and reach its all-time high. And also good thing is that they support all the major chains including BSC, Polygon, Solana and much more. They also have 24/7 support that will help you out if you are facing any problem, which is also something really cool. And the interesting thing is that they offer zero fee transfer between Mandala and Binance, and they share liquidity and order books with Binance. Here the fees are as low as 0.05%, which is really less as compared to other exchange. So if you are an active trader, it's the best time to save some fees and eventually save some huge fees that you are paying in the fees. And now let's get started with the today's topic, that is how to create an account on Mandala Exchange. And if we have more time while recording this video, I will be also covering how you can bridge your token from one chain to another, which will be really time effective and fee saving using Mandala Exchange itself. So now I'm here on mandala.exchange. Make sure to double check the URL to avoid phishing scams. And to create an account, simply click on this register button top right corner. Here you have to enter your email address and password, and also if you have any referral ID you can enter it there, but it is just an optional. And also make sure to click on I read and agree terms and condition and click on register, and make sure to enter the verification code that you will be mailed in your mentioned email, and after doing so you are good to go. In this simple way you can easily create a Mandala Exchange account in just 30 seconds or less. After signing in, this will be the home page. Here you can see there are lots of stuff you can do with Mandala Exchange. On the top end side you can see there is markets, trade now, lock my MDX, where you can earn some great rebates back by locking your MDX token. There are already around 100 million MDX token locked in it, which is something really cool. And if you are interested in depositing and withdrawing, and if you want to check your balance, just click on this wallet and it will be giving you a drop down menu of balances, deposit, withdrawal. We'll be going in this in detail. Make sure to stick around to this. And the second is orders. Here you can check all the open order history and trade history that you have ever done with Mandala Exchange. And on the if you scroll down here, you will be seeing all the coins that are available that you can start trading with. That is Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, BNB, Phantom, Solana. Here there are lots of pairs available that you can trade with, which is also something really cool. And as I told, they are sharing liquidity with Binance, so there is no liquidity issues. And now let me show you how you can deposit. So if you are interested in depositing funds from other exchange or your private wallet, just after signing in, just click on this wallet drop down menu, click on deposit, and from here you can select your choice of coin that you are interested in depositing. For example, if you are interested in depositing Ethereum, just enter ETH and it will be showing, and from the right hand side you can select the chains. So for example, if you are interested in depositing from Binance Smart Chain, then just click on BSC. It will be providing you the depositing address for the corresponding chain, and also they are supporting Arbitrum 1, which is also something really cool. So this is how you can simply deposit. Means it will be requiring you 12 network confirmation. Deposit are instant depending upon the network congestion, and this is the same for how you can withdraw it from here. For example, if you want to withdraw, just move on to the withdrawal tab, and from here you can select the coin that you want to withdraw, and from the right hand side you can select the network you want to withdraw, and from here you can enter the recipient address, and if it is containing memo, then you can add a memo. If it does not contain a memo, then just click on no memo and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and it will be showing you the trading transaction fee, that is withdrawing fees, and how much you will be getting, and then just click on submit. You will be only getting 2 BTC withdrawal limit if you are a non KYC user. So if you are an active trader, I suggest you guys go complete the KYC, because that will be allowing you to withdraw more from here. It is just an additional feature that if you are interested in unlocking. So as I told earlier in this video that you can also I will be also sharing you guys how you can bridge your tokens from one chain to another chain using Mandala Exchange. So here is some information on that. As you all know that in the current space, transferring tokens from one chain to another chain is really a time consuming process, and also we have to pay a huge bridging fees for that. Sometimes a transaction gets stuck and we have to wait around like 10 to 24 hours for our tokens to bridge. This can be a really hectic during the peak time, but Mandala is offering us deposit and withdrawals for Polygon, Matic, Solana, Phantom and BSC chain, as well as Avalanche, which is something really cool. For example, if you want to withdraw any token to Matic chain from Mandala Exchange, the withdrawal fees are as low as 0.1 Matic, that is $0.17, and the time is nearly instant for Matic withdrawal. Second is Solana. Means if you want to withdraw any token to Solana blockchain, the withdrawal fees are 0.01 Sol, and the time period for that is nearly instant. If you want to withdraw USDC token to Solana blockchain, there is only $1 USDC withdrawal fees. If you compare this to other bridging service, they are charging like percentage of your transaction for each bridge you do, and also the time period is really higher than this. That is, in this case, it is nearly instant on Mandala. And if you want to withdraw any token to BSC chain, the withdrawal fees are 0.005 BNB, which is really less. And for Phantom withdrawals, the fees are 0.1 Phantom and the time is nearly instant. So you can easily use this incredible fast and easy alternative to bridge the tokens from one network to another network. Transaction fees are really less, and this is they are only charging like a gas fees for each transaction. So transaction fees are the gas fees over here, which is something really cool that Mandala Exchange is offering. So stop using bridging service, shift to Mandala Exchange as they support all the major chains. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel right now, because weekly videos about Mandala explaining each and every products and service they are offering. So if you liked this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.